Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are up with a new series which is our meal prep vlogs, where we design a meal prep to stabilize your blood sugar response, which means that if your body is insulin resistant or you're trying to manage your metabolic disorders like PCOD, diabetes, thyroid, this meal prep will help you get that stabilized energy levels, get enough amount of protein, fibers and carb, manage your macros efficiently. In today's meal prep episode, we are targeting stabilized blood sugar response with 20 to 25 grams of protein in each of our meals. Also, we're curating the entire meal prep in such a way that there is a complete main meal, batch ingredient preparation, along with some add-on snacks that help you manage your blood sugar response better. For the next 4 to 5 days, all of your meals will be sorted in just 5 minutes on the go. So what are you waiting for? Let's quickly get started. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, because I'm going to be up with these regular meal prep episodes every week. So yeah, I don't want you to miss on good health at your doorstep. And now let's get started. Now let's begin with soaking our lentils. We are soaking urad dal, chana dal and tuar dal, mix of 3 dals for our adai batter. Now making this adai batter gives us an added 10 to 12 grams of protein with our meal, and when we add a filling of tofu or paneer, it just gives us 25 to 26 grams of protein, which exactly we need for the meal, right? So this adai batter, you just have to soak 3 dals and then we are going to blend it, because soaking helps us get rid of those enzymes that makes it difficult for us to digest these lentils. Next up, we are going to soak green moong dal, from which we are going to make another batter. Again, the idea is to make quick on the go meals with high protein. So once we have soaked it, we are going to prepare a probiotic salad. For this, we need some carrots, beetroots and onions. Now this you can store it in a glass container for more than 4 to 5 days, only when you have added a little bit of olive oil, salt, red chili and vinegar along with lime juice. Now vinegar helps you kill those enzymes that speed up the microbial activity in the salad, and hence when you keep it in a glass airtight container in a refrigerator, it stays there for more than 4 to 5 days, making it a perfect add-on for your lunch and also act as a great probiotic, as we are accelerating the activity of good gut bacteria with this yummy probiotic salad. Now yes, let's move on to the next flavor booster, for which we need guava. Now you must know that guava has maximum vitamin C, which helps in collagen production in your body. Also, it's a great antioxidant because of the quantity of vitamin C that it has, thus helping us produce glutathione much better and help you get good skin and good gut health. We blend it with some raw mango and mint leaves to give that a perfect tangy flavor and great flavor booster for your lunches and your dinners. So we add some salt, some dried mango powder and blend this all together to have an amazing flavor booster stored in a refrigerator for more than 6 to 7 days. Next up, we boil amaranth grain in water. We take some extra water so that it well soaks up the grain. Amaranth has a versatile nutrient property. It has great flavor with good amount of fiber. Also, it's one of those grain coming from an Indian origin, giving us a versatile wheat profile. So if you are someone who is gluten intolerant or who is finding it hard to digest whole wheat, this is a grain for you. We are going to prepare a full recipe with it after we have prepared this snack, which is very easy to make. We dry roast some peanuts and makhanas together. Now you get makhanas outside very easily on Blinkit as well, but all of them contain so many calories because of added sugars and preservatives. But here with this snack and added magic masala for that flavor, we get a yummy tasty snack on the go. You just have to make it one day and you can serve it for the next 7 days, stored in a glass airtight container so that it does not become soggy. It's very tasty and flavorful. All you need is a good dressing. We have made some olive oil and added some magic masala to it and mix it well together. This just gives us on the go snack so that we don't do any mindless snacking, because when you know what to eat at what particular time, you will never end up eating something which is unhealthy. And hence meal prep is important because it helps you not only save time but also make those informed decisions. Next up is this protein coffee mixture that we are going to prepare for ourselves. We are taking 1 scoop of whey isolate, add some instant coffee along with some rolled oats. Now this dried mixture is ready to be served with milk or water whenever you are planning to have a protein coffee. It tastes divine and it's so easy to store for the next 6 to 7 days, just ready in minutes. Next, now our dal is soaked, so we are going to make the batter out of it. First, we are going to make adai batter by blending the 3 dals along with some green chili and ginger. Now this gives that extra flavor and antioxidant boost because green chili and ginger both have great anti-inflammatory properties. So when we blend this together, not only flavor is enhanced but also we get a batter which is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. You get a rich, airy batter which you can use to make your dosas, chilas or utpams. I have made good 2 storage container batter with good quantity because I'm going to eat it throughout the week. Next up, we are going to blend green moong dal. Green moong dal has a great amount of fiber and protein, highest among all of these dals. So when you blend this along with 2 tablespoons of ragi flour, add some spices, you're going to get a batter which is flavorful, high in protein, rich in fiber and good amount of calcium that you get from ragi as well. Next up, the grain that we prepared, the amaranth grain that we have prepared, we are going to use it in a very different way by adding some Greek yogurt to enhance that protein value. And how we prepare our curd rice, we are going to exactly prepare our amaranth curd just to give that kind of taste with enhanced nutrition profile. We are going to add the similar tadka with rai, little bit of oil and some peanuts to give that flavor but added nutrition profile. So amaranth grain with some curd and this amazing tadka, add a little bit of salt and you can keep this in refrigerator for next 3 days, which is an amazing timeline for this yummy, flavorful, particular lunch time meal that we can enjoy. I've added good amount of Greek yogurt in this so that we get enhanced protein. You can also blend some tofu or paneer here because that will again enhance the protein profile of this particular meal. Next up, we are going for an amazing flavorful onion tomato based gravy which gives us a masala for our variety vegetables. So you have to just prepare this gravy once and then you can refrigerate it for next 6 to 7 days, or you can keep it in deep freezer for up to a month. It saves a lot of my time. I am telling you, this particular recipe is one of the time saver on the go meals because you just have to add either chickpeas, paneer, tofu or your any green vegetable and your masala would be ready in no time. So before we make the entire masala, I am preparing a dried coconut chutney by adding some desiccated coconut, chana, some dried amchur powder and dried red chili. We are going to keep it dried only. Whenever we want to make a chutney, we just are going to add water. You can store it for more than 15 days very easily, very travel friendly. Just add water and you can eat it with variety recipes. Now coming back to our buna masala, we have boiled our tomatoes and onions, add some salt and red chili. We are going to blend this together and then we are going to dry roast our garlic, add this gravy to it and make sure that you cook it for long enough so that it does not have any water. When there is water left, it automatically reduces the shelf life of this masala, which you can keep for longer period of time in a refrigerator, because with water the enzymatic microbial activities are always accelerated. So make sure that you cook it so well. Add grated ginger on top for more activated anti-inflammatory properties, along with extravagant Indian masalas like garam masala, dried green chili powder, dried red chili powder, coriander powder. All of these masalas make this Indian gravy so flavorful and stay for longer. Next up, we are going to prepare a full meal that you can store in refrigerator for next 3 to 4 days. Here we are going to prepare some grilled vegetables that we are going to prepare with sauteing some onions and broccoli and mushrooms. This is absolutely optional because I know that not everybody has access to broccoli and mushroom, so any vegetable of your choice will work. Just make sure that you have lot of green, high fiber rich vegetables available, because this meal gives you that fiber that is required. You can also add tofu to it or paneer whenever you are planning to eat it, whenever you are reheating it. Make sure that whenever you are reheating your meals, you just do it once and not again and again, because that marks the loss of nutrition. We have scrambled some tofu, added some spices like red chili powder, salt and olive oil, and keep it in refrigerator for adding to our wraps and chilas. And here we are keeping our ready saute vegetables along with some cooked millets. This is a ready meal. You can just take it along with you for your lunch or your dinner. It's a super easy way to have a complete balanced meal with good amount of fiber and protein. Also ensures that you save a lot of time. So that's it for today's meal prep episode. I hope you enjoyed it. It is such a versatile variety of preparation with limited ingredient in less than 90 minutes. I hope you liked it. To be a part of our meal prep club where you get detailed recipes and all the quick references, you just have to jump on the link below given in the description box. There you can join the WhatsApp group where we share regular detailed PDFs, which can be so much useful. Let's get the week sorted for us. And yeah, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon along to never miss any update and the upcoming episode of this meal prep series every Friday.